Our LG dryer started making a lot of noise, so I replaced the drum rollers, belt, and tension pulley to get it back to a quiet operation. I purchased this repair kit from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. In the kit were a tension pulley, spring, 4 drum rollers, and the drum belt. Disconnect power and remove the 3 screws from the back end of the lid. Slide the lid back and lift off to remove. Slide out and remove the steam feeder drawer. And remove the 2 screws on each side of the steam feeder drawer opening. Remove the screw from the right side of the control panel. Disengage the clips at the top of the control panel and lift the control panel over. Disconnect the door switch. Remove the 9 screws from the mounting bracket, 6 on front and 3 on top. Open and support the door as you remove the 2 lower mounting screws and lift the front panel away. Lift and set aside the mounting bracket, then disconnect the light bulb and moisture sensor. Remove the 4 screws and then remove the front bulkhead. Move the tension pulley to the left and disengage the belt. Now lift and remove the drum from the chassis. Remove the lint and debris with a vacuum. A 10mm socket is needed on the front end of the roller and a 14mm socket needed for the mounting lock nut. Here are the 2 rollers on the front bulkhead that seem okay but were replaced anyway. And the 2 rollers on the rear bulkhead, the one on the right spun freely, but the one on the left did not and was very difficult to spin. Both rollers were replaced, and here's a close-up look at the old roller that was difficult to spin. Here's a look at the old tension pulley in front and new tension pulley in back. Both the tension pulley and spring were replaced. The belt was also replaced with the rib side facing the drum. Now reinsert the drum into the chassis and place the rear rim on the rollers. Wrap the belt around the tension and motor pulleys and reinstall the front bulkhead by aligning the front tabs into the front slots and placing the front rim of the drum onto the front rollers. Now spin the drum by hand and check the alignment of the belt on the exterior of the drum and at the tension and motor pulleys. Now reconnect the moisture sensor and light bulb. Reinstall the 4 screws to secure the front bulkhead and reinstall the door and front panel by aligning the bottom front slots and tabs. Open and support the door to reinstall the 2 bottom mounting screws. Carefully reposition the top mounting bracket. Reconnect the door switch. Reinstall the 9 screws on the mounting bracket, 6 on front and 3 on top. Flip down and reposition the control panel. Reinstall the screw on the right side of the control panel and the 2 screws on each side of the steam feeder drawer opening. And then reinstall the steam feeder drawer. Reinstall the lid and slide forward. Reinstall the 3 screws on the back end of the lid. Plug in the power cord and give the dryer a spin.